Greetings. This knife has my mag and light combination made in Ukrainian bog oak with brass liners. It has 4 layers, factory serrated main blade, and the brass magnifiers paired with an inline Phillips flashlight paired with the compact tool. Now the flashlight, it always goes on this end of the knife. So by reversing it and using special cut liners, I now illuminate the magnifier. Good for some fine reading, and also illuminates this electrician's cleaver for some fine cutting. And wait, there's more. Now we have the scissors illuminated as well. So this my mag and light, call it the mag and light combo. 4 layers, deep carry pocket clip. Matches my logo on the other side. Made in Ukrainian bog oak with brass liners. Deep carry pocket clip, and you too can be part of the brotherhood. Take care. Thanks for watching.